seen us in a while because we haven't been together. So I'm Sid.
And I'm Reid, and today we are at my house, and
welcome back to our channel.
Yeah.
So today we will be making slime.
Yeah.
So what we have here is some glitter, some glue, mixing utensils, shaving cream, coloring, glitter glue, and contact solution. 1 second. And that's all we have for today. So we should.
Oh, and Pringles.
Oh yeah, but we're not putting that in our slime. So let's get on to the video. Okay, so first we'll be adding in our glue.
We'll be adding in our glue first.
And then we will put in her glue.
We have purple.
Okay, I can't open this glue.
I will.
Oh, do you like my glasses with my visor? Okay,
We
got
got them from Target, the most popular store in America.
it. Okay.
Ooh,
Almost there.
that's enough.
Okay, that's enough.
My turn.
Now, Reid's pouring in her glue. Oh, here's the top, by the way.
Will you stop the glue? Will you hold it under?
I mean,
Yeah, and then we'll flip it up. Then you stop the running.
okay, now,
Wait,
what should we do?
now we can put in the shaving cream.
Yes, now we put in the
Yeah.
shaving cream.
You do that one, and I will see if the other one still seems to come in.
Oh, there we go. Oh, wait. Shake it some more. Wait, why isn't mine working?
Come on. Just shake it up a lot. Yeah. 1 second. Let me go get some better shaving cream.
Now I am going to mix in some of my shaving cream. And then I'm going to add some more of the fluffing, like the real fluffy shaving cream. Never mind.
It works.
I'm going to be adding some more shaving cream.
Yeah, it works.
This will be enough for now. Okay, that's a lot.
Did you already put in your food coloring?
No. Oh my gosh, I have shaving cream on my arm. Now I'm going to mix mine. I'm going to put in some of that shaving cream too because there isn't very much in here. Oh, we will be putting in mine. Sorry. Oh, if I could close it.
That sound is not that please.
I have shaving cream on my arm. How nice. I'm going to put this over there. Okay, that's enough shaving cream.
Alright, I'm gonna put this.
Oh, it's getting really liquidy.
Here, I'm gonna go grab the baking soda because we're just gonna put in a little bit because I don't want our slimes to be this.
It's getting gooey, and we haven't even added anything. I'm going to add a little more glue.
Have some baking soda. Wait, put some on mine.
Okay.
Okay, and then I'm gonna put some baking soda in mine. I'm running out a lot.
Okay, good. She didn't get mad at me. Catching me.
What?
Since I put more glue in mine. Well, I mean, I put more in yours, so. Okay, I'm just gonna mix.
I don't know, put the baking soda.
But we shouldn't put it in the baking soda yet.
I am.
I'm gonna put some glitter glue in.
Oh, this thing is so hard. This thing is.
It's not coming out. This is harder than you think, man.
There, I just poured some baking soda in.
Okay, I'll pour in mine after. Later.
I might need some more glue. That was a lot of baking soda. I don't want it to be like over.
Okay, I put a little bit of
Here,
glitter
just a little
glue
bit
in
more
mine.
glue.
Well, that's a lot of glue.
It's not that much.
Okay,
Well, then we'll have jumbo slimes.
I'm just gonna mix in some of my glitter glue.
I haven't mixed mine yet.
I'm gonna put a little bit more in.
Now I'm gonna put in some lotion. Oopsies.
Oh, that's nice.
One second.
Okay, guys. So, just gonna put in some more glitter glue. If it will come out at least. Oh, that was a lot. Okay, that was probably enough. Then I'm just gonna mix in the glitter glue. Wow, Reed's doing something. Ooh, it's turning purple already. And I didn't even add the purple food coloring. Now I'm going to add some.
I got some better lotion.
I'm gonna add some of this and see if it comes out.
Better lotion.
I'm gonna be putting in some of that soon.
Oops.
Okay, as you see, the lotion is not coming out. I'm just gonna use some of that lotion. Does it smell good?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, can I use it now?
Yeah.
Is there any even in here?
Yeah, there's some. Well, we don't need that much. Alright, I'm gonna put in my food coloring.
Okay, I put in my lotion.
Sit back down.
Yeah, me too. Oh, okay. And mine's already getting pink, and I didn't even add the food coloring.
Well, yours is already pink a little.
I mean purple. I can't see anything with these glasses on. Never mind, it's not getting, well, I mean kind of. Okay, I'm gonna add some food coloring after Reed. Okay, that was a lot. Okay, my turn.
It's not that rich of a color.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Yeah.
Gonna put a lot in.
I'm gonna put in some.
Okay, I'm gonna mix. I'm gonna try and mix it now. Now I'm gonna mix the purple food coloring. How did you get so much to come out? Okay, now I'm mixing my purple up.
Alright, I'll put that in.
Okay, where's
Now I'm gonna put in some sparkles.
I'm gonna put in some sparkles after.
I'm gonna put in.
I'm gonna put some of this, and then maybe I'm gonna put a lot.
Silver. Oops! I almost fell backwards.
Okay. Ah! Ow!
Your color is very.
Okay, now I'm putting in a little bit of sparkles, and then I'm going to put in some red.
Putting in a lot of sparkles. Sydney, I have some pink dye if you want. Well, it's not dye, but it's.
Okay, now I'm gonna put in some gold because
I'm gonna finally mix mine.
you haven't mixed yours yet.
No.
Oh wow. Okay, now I'm gonna mix some gold. The gold in.
Mine is like already coming to. Well, it looks like it is in the bowl a little bit.
Okay. Now I'm going to put in. I'm just gonna put in all the colors, honestly.
I'm gonna need some more glue.
Yeah.
Mine is not that thick.
How does mine feel? I don't know.
I want to see yours. Yeah, yours is more thick than
Okay,
mine. I need some more glue. Mine is not that thick.
Maybe it's because I didn't. Maybe I think the glitter glue might have made it not as thick.
I'll put in some.
Oh, that's a lot. I should get some. Okay, that's enough.
Okay, a little bit more.
Mine's getting thick.
Glue bottle is just like.
Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna see.
I feel like that's the face emotion of the glue bottle.
Now I'm going to add some green glitter.
Bath stuff, so I'm gonna go get that.
Some what?
I have pink bath stuff. I might get a little bit more pink.
Okay, I'm just gonna mix in the green. I'm putting all glitters, by the way. Okay. Now I'm going to do the purple. I mean the blue.
And then I have some hair gel.
Ooh, that would be nice.
nice.
I'm gonna put some hair gel in. Oh, and then we're also gonna put in some hair gel into our slime. What is that? Ooh, can I have some of that?
Yeah. It's called Tickle Me.
What the heck?
That's like the.
I'm gonna put in some of the Tickle Me. And I'm gonna mix it in.
Mine is a pretty color.
Okay, I'm gonna put in some more red. Mine's gonna be really glittery. I'm gonna add in mine in a second. Wow.
I'll go put that back. Oh, or unless you want that.
I want some.
But here you go.
Okay.
Not the silver sparkles again.
Okay, I'm gonna put in some of my hair gel. It comes out.
Comes out quick. Oh. I need to go shut the door. Oopsies. Oopsies.
Okay, it's finally coming out. Okay, I think this is
Too
fine.
much.
Okay, that's enough.
Oops. Yeah, this glitter is really rich. It comes out fast.
Now I'm just mixing up mine.
I'm not convinced on my color.
Oh.
Wow, Sydney's literally has Sydney's is seeing stars. Literally.
Now I'm gonna put in a little bit of baking soda.
There's too much glitter.
Where is the baking soda coming out? There we go. I'm gonna put in a little bit of that. So I'm gonna keep mixing it. I'm gonna put in a little bit of baking soda.
And then at the end, we're gonna combine our slimes together.
We are?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little more.
I might need. I think I like mine. What about? It's nice.
Okay, that was enough baking soda.
So do you like mine? Or not?
Ooh, mine's getting
convinced?
thin. That's not good. That's not good. Mine's getting kind of thin.
I'm gonna put just a little bit of activator in mine, then I'm gonna finish my
Can I see?
ingredients.
Yours is really thick and well, actually, I don't know. Mine's getting thin.
Well, I just put some activator in mine, so hopefully mine will be a little bit more thick.
Okay, I'm gonna put in some activator now.
Yeah, mine is a little bit more thick.
Gonna add the activator and
then I'm
slowly,
gonna
by
finish
slowly,
mine.
slowly, it's saline solution. You can kind of get it like anywhere.
You can kind of get it like anywhere.
Not joking though. Okay, just gonna.
Not joking.
Soon I'm gonna knead it.
Not joking.
Soon I'm gonna start kneading it. Oh, by the way, sorry that we haven't been posting very many videos. Just gonna keep mixing the slime until it starts being a good consistency until I can start picking it up and kneading it. Oh, it's really sticky. I need a little more glue. I need a little more glue. Because it's getting really sticky, and when that happens, you need to add a lot of glue sometimes. Okay, because it was really thin. Because mine was really
bubbles
thin.
and mine are coming out.
That's weird.
Oh,
I'm gonna put the glue over here.
Get in there.
Okay, I'm gonna add. I can't believe I added the glue into mine. I don't usually make slime like this, but whatever. Gonna mix it up. Oh.
Mine's getting thick.
Whoa.
Oh, it's just sticky.
I need that.
You touched it.
Just gonna mix.
Click. No.
Oh, making slime is literally a workout.
Ooh.
Oh.
Fun.
Oh, I can't.
Where's Sydney?
Ooh.
Sydney's is like there. She added too much.
Maybe. I'm just gonna
I'm gonna put some in my hands.
mix it up.
Yeah, mine's too sticky. I'm just gonna go with my hands because I don't really do.
I started going into my hands. I don't know if it was too late or too early. Okay.
Ooh, mine has an odd consistency.
I want to fill yours when I'm done. Oh, I just fill it now. Oh, this is a really weird consistency.
I feel like mine is like it's kind of jiggly.
Ooh, we should have made this jiggly. But we can make another slime
I know we can.
in the next video. In the next video, we will probably be making another slime.
Slime is not the best thing in the world.
Yeah, but I'm still kind of obsessed with it.
I'm not obsessed with it. I barely ever play with my slime.
Yeah, I haven't done that in so long.
Well,
But we decided to make some slime for you guys.
Well,
Because
now you
for some
guys know how to
content.
make this wonderful masterpiece. I
This,
want to make some oobleck.
maybe.
I have cornstarch.
Ooh, we can make oobleck later. Okay, in the next video we'll probably be making more slime. Ooh. Okay, soon I'm gonna do some ASMR for you guys in a second.
Ooh, nice.
Okay, I'm gonna be doing some ASMR. You can't really see it, but let me see if I can fix that for you. So yeah.
It's thick.
It's thick with 2 C's.
It's a thick lady.
Wow.
It's rich.
Oh. Okay.
Spicy.
Okay, so that was the
that
ASMR.
bad?
So now that I finished my slime, now Reed will be making her slime. Let me feel hers.
I'm not done.
Ooh, hers is pretty good. Would you like me to help you with anything? Would you like me to add anything or anything? Anything or anything? That's nice.
You're getting mine look stuck everywhere. That was one goal not to do for me.
What?
I said that was one goal that I did not want to do.
What?
Do you know?
Okay, I'm gonna make a unicorn. I'm gonna make a slime swirl.
Ooh. Yeah.
Ooh.
I don't like my color. It looks like way lighter on camera.
I really like mine. Okay, so are you done? Now we're gonna test our slimes and comment down below which one you like better. Okay.
I'm
Can you
not done yet.
well, when we're done.
Where's the baking soda?
That's not gonna do anything. Just saying.
Yeah, it makes it look sticky and it.
That's kind of what the activator does. Okay. Are you almost done?
Yeah, I'm just trying to clean up my bowl a little bit so it will be easier to wash it out.
Yeah. My slime's so thick. It's so satisfying. But not
It would be fun if
I'm
you
gonna
had
make a
butter.
bubble.
Oh no, don't get it in my slime.
Ooh, so satisfying. I love the glitter. Oh.
Her glasses are sketchy.
Wow,
Just
how
saying.
nice.
Whoa. I think I should put some more diet in, but
Comment down below which slime you like better.
I wanna put this more.
Can you not?
We have a 42-minute limit, Sydney.
Who wants to make it down?
I don't know who wants to make their video 42 minutes. I mean, some people, they just like making it. So there's some videos that last 7 hours, but that's just confusing.
Okay, I'm
Sydney,
gonna
you can
make
put some of this in yours.
I'd rather not.
Oh, I just don't like the purple. I'm putting some blue in it. This is pretty blue. Here, I'll do a smiley face. Sydney, I will mix it.
I really like hers, but I really like mine. I don't know which one I like better.
I like mine better.
Mine's not really drinky. Man, I haven't made slime in a while.
I want to put mine in just a little bit of warm water.
I'd rather not. We need to do our outro. So, this is basically it for today's video. Comment down below which slime you like better.
Wait, no, they haven't seen my ASMR.
Whatever.
No, show them mine. The camera over. Wait, let me put it over. Whoa! Bye, guys.
Okay, now, like I was saying, comment down below which slime you like better, me or hers. So, bye.